This year for Halloween, try making this fake dead body that you can put in your yard using white or black trash bags.
To begin, you're going to start filling your 3 trash bags with as many leaves as you can. Then you're going to line them up so they're one after another. Tuck the trash bags inside of each other so that you have one long trash bag. Then you're going to take your clear tape and you're going to start wrapping the top half of your trash bag, making sure that they are sealed. Then flip over the trash bag so that you can tape the other side. Once everything's taped up, we'll need to tie off the top of the bag where the hole is still opened up. So just make sure all the leaves are shoved in there and then just make a nice tight knot. Next, we're going to start shaping the head. So you're going to wrap your rope around the top half of that first bag, and you're going to make a really, really tight knot so that this will form a circle, which is going to represent the head. Make sure it's not too big or too small, and tie a tight knot. Now we're going to start working on the body. So first you'll need to tie off the rope at the base, and then you're going to start wrapping the rope around the bags, working your way from the bottom to top. Make sure you're not pulling this rope too tight or else it will look like a worm rather than a dead body. Once you get to the head, you're going to start going back down, crisscrossing it over top of the rope that you already wrapped around the bag. And then once you get to the very bottom and you've run out of rope, just tie it back off. To finish this off, you'll need to move the leaves around a little bit. The shoulders are always much wider on a person, so you will need to pat these down to make it wider where the shoulders would be. And that is it, you're done. So this only took me about 15 minutes to make, and because I got all my items at the dollar store, it only cost me $3. So the only thing left to do now is to pick it up and put it in my display. This will be a nice, creepy addition to your Halloween decorations.